Hey you, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a style and diffuse for my curly hair. I haven't done like an updated curly hair routine in such a long time and a lot of things have changed. But first and foremost, I want to let you know what kind of curly hair I have. I have a medium to low density curls. They are fine, but I have a lot of them. And whenever I do my hair, because it's super thin in some areas, I really want to make sure that I am getting as much volume as I can so people don't have just a glimpse of my scalp. So this routine that I'm going to be doing is going to kind of really encourage a lot of volume, and I'm going to be using a lot of new products from T3. I was really happy that they sent me over a diffuser, hair dryer, some detangling combs. So you're gonna get to see those products. But first, I wanna show you what I used on my hair for my wash day. I actually used a newer product that is launched from Hairstory. I love their original Newwash, but I got to use their Newwash that's the rich version, and this is so good. I thought that the original was amazing, but the rich one just has a lot more emollients in it, a lot more oils that feel really amazing and make your hair feel very moisturized. If you're not familiar with the Newwash system, this is basically an all-in-one product that cleanses and conditions your hair. I've come to the point in my curly hair journey to where I just want to have a very efficient, quick routine to where I'm not spending hours and hours with multiple products in my curly hair routine. And this is, again, this one just has really awesome. I really love it. And I feel like this could be something that a lot of people could enjoy, not just people with curly hair, wavy hair, thin hair. They're very sustainable. They have biodegradable products. They have refillable packaging, which I love, and I just love everything that this brand stands for. So we're gonna go ahead and take my hair out of this turban. So I'm probably gonna have to re-dampen my hair because it's been in this for a while, but this is what my hair looks like fresh out. Again, I'm gonna re-wet it, but this is what it's giving right now. It smells amazing because I really love the way the Newwash smells. I'm just gonna use this continuous spray bottle and just spray everywhere around my head. Again, gotta get really damp again. I find that with my hair that it doesn't have to be soaking wet, but my hair does like to have a little bit of moisture whenever I'm detangling it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Thank you to my lovely friends at T3. I'm going to be utilizing their detangling and prep comb and brush. I am, again, still in the hunt for the perfect hair dryer, so I'm really glad that they brought over their new hair dryer to me. So we're going to go ahead and section off my hair so I can show you the new method of how I am styling my hair. Okay, so to style my hair, I'm actually going to be using the Hairstory Hairbalm. First time using it, so you guys are gonna see like actually if I like it, if I don't, but I've heard this is a really great universal styling product and I've seen a lot of curly girls enjoy it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go into like a just voiceover mode to where you're gonna hear me kind of talk about the product and things of that nature, but enjoy, and then I'm gonna come back for my diffusing side.
The Hairstory Hair Balm features hydrolyzed wheat and soy protein, vegetable oils, as well as sunflower oil. And those combination of ingredients is great because it's a great mix of protein and moisture to strengthen the hair, but also to moisturize the hair. And the styling method that you see me doing here is called the rake and shake. I have found that I am over plopping, I'm over shingling, and I feel like this routine specifically for styling my hair gives me the most definition and volume, and it's very effective. So as you see, I just take smaller sections of my hair, put the comb through it, and then shake and wiggle it at the ends to make sure that it's developing a curl. The key for this method is working in small sections. The smaller the sections, the more defined and frizz-free your hair is going to be. And for me personally, all my frizz is concentrated at the root, so I pay close attention to that area.
Okay, so now that I've already styled the rest of my hair, I style my bangs a little bit differently. So I already re-wet it and then distributed some product into it. And now I'm gonna take little sections of it and twirl it around my finger. This method is called shingling, or some people like to call it call it finger coiling. So I'm gonna let you see what that looks like now. So as you see, just around my finger, and then it just encourages a tighter curl. I like the curls around my face because I have bangs to be more, I guess, precise, more defined. So this is what this looks like.
The heat protectant I'm using today is from Paul Mitchell. It's the Hot Off the Presses Thermal Spray. I like it because it really does protect your hair while you're diffusing, but it also forms a nice gel cast. And the reason why gel casts are good is because they hold the shape of your curl while your hair dries, so it's going to promote less frizz.
Okay guys, so this is the Cura Luxe. This is the T3 hairdryer that I have. I also have their diffuser, their soft curl diffuser. This is my first time utilizing the brand, so I'm really excited to give you guys my first impressions. It has ion technology, so it's going to really smooth down the cuticle and help minimize frizz. So I'm going to showcase how I diffuse. I know it's a little different than a lot of people. And then at the end, I'll let you know what I thought about all the new products that I tried.
The method I'm using here is called hovering, and what you're doing is just going to dry the outer layers of your hair, and you're going to do this to encourage the cast to form around your hair. And this is why it's very important during this step that you do not touch your hair, because you want to decrease any type of frizz. After I hover diffuse for 5 minutes, then I cup my ends into the diffuser and lift at the root for maximum volume. This is going to make sure that I'm getting a lot of airflow into my hair and again, decrease any type of frizz. I take off the nozzle for the rest of the time to make sure my scalp is fully dry.
So I just got done diffusing. This is what it's looking like so far. It took about 15 minutes, which is pretty impressive. So now what I'm gonna do is scrunch out some of the cast that I got from the products that I use, and I'm going to be using the Hairstory Hair Oil. Looks like this. See if you guys can get a glimpse of that. And I love this oil. There's a ton of lightweight oils that are really great for my fine strands. So I'm just gonna put this throughout my hair to add a little bit more shine.
This oil has obsidian, marumuru, babasu, and sunflower oil to help really give shine. I really like using it to break the cast and to make sure my hair is soft and to give just a little bit more volume into my hair.
So let's get into some reviews. I'm gonna go ahead and let you know what my first impressions are of this Hairstory Hair Balm. First time using it, it's a Korean product. I feel like it did a really great job of smoothing down my hair to make it less frizzy without making it super weighed down, which is what I really typically have problems with when I'm looking for Korean products. If you know me, you know that I'm usually a gel girl, but I just wanted to see and test out this product, and I feel like they did a great job. Not only is this really great for hair, but it's also really cool that Hairstory is a sustainable brand. So this product is refillable. It also is a biodegradable product, so when you're washing your hair, it's not going to harm the oceans or anything of that nature. Also want to let you know about my first impressions of the Cura Luxe T3 hairdryer with the soft curl diffuser. Really impressed by this. I've tried tons of different hair dryers, haven't tried the Dyson or the Shark yet, but that's on my list. But this is really interesting because it's super light. I feel like I could totally travel with this if I wanted to. I love the aesthetic, it's really pretty. And because the diffuser is shallow, it's not very deep, and I cut my hair, I feel like that was like the perfect combo because it shrunk up the length of my hair, which is what I want. This part of my hair typically gets really, really long. It's the part that grows out the longest, but I feel like it did such a great job. It took about, like I said, 10 or 15 minutes to fully dry my hair. My hair is about 95% dry, and I really like it. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below if you tried those diffuser tricks. I feel like that's the best way that I found to dry my hair, hovering, then cupping my hair with the diffuser, and then taking off the diffuser and just letting my hair kind of dry, because I hate first day hair when it's air dry because it's super flat, and I feel like diffusing is just now my new way to go, and I diffuse once a week typically. But yeah, this was my updated curly hair routine. If you have any other questions, leave them down in the comments. I'm gonna leave the links to the T3 products and Hairstory products down below.